All right, so we got to host meetings now, and I just thought I'd give you a quick tutorial as to how to set up a Zoom meeting that is for all of your sections that you can post one link for and have it be reoccurring, opposed to turning it on and off in Google Classroom, which only hits certain student groups that are in that classroom. So what you're going to do is go to zoom.com, it's actually zoom.us, but whatever, and you're going to sign up and sign in for free. So I already have an account here. So I use my Google sign in and you can use it too. Just make sure you're on your school account and it's free and then you get extended time if needed because otherwise it's only 40 minutes. But either way, so you're going to go and you're going to schedule a meeting. So you go to your account. If you go to host a meeting, it'll actually launch a meeting immediately. So ignore that. Do not host a meeting. You want to schedule a meeting. So you can either do it here or on my page, it's here. So you're going to give your meeting a title. It could be like synchronous office hours or just video office hours. If I could type early. And then you're going to give a description or whatever. So you're going to pick when your office hours are starting. So you can start them on whichever day is best for you. So you might be doing Mondays and Thursdays or whatever, and you pick a time. Make sure you're on Eastern time. It's kind of at the bottom of the list here, or like mid bottom of the list. So not Pacific time, but Eastern time. And then you pick whichever time you want your meeting to be. The duration, so it'd probably be an hour. And then this is the thing here, is you want to click reoccurring meeting. So this way you don't have to send a new link every single time. What you'll do is just utilize the same link every single week, twice a week, and it'll just remain constant. So you're going to repeat it for however many days, maybe 2 days. What? Repeat every 2 days or whatever, once day, and you can pick weekly and pick however many days you want it to be. And obviously, an end date is important here. So you want to make sure that it's password protected. That do you want your participants to have video? I mean, you can. You don't. You can bar them from video, so it's just like um, their picture or a black screen. You can have computer audio, telephone if they want to call in, whatever. So enable join before host. I would not allow that to happen. I would definitely, obviously, leave that one on. Enable the waiting room, so you have to let them in. If you want to breakouts, whatever. So you're going to save it. And then what you're going to do here is you're actually going to copy this invitation. And then this link here, join Zoom meeting with the password, this bottom bit, is really the information that you would need to relay to your student group. Opposed to this just tells them when the office hours is. I mean, you can put that on there, but the way it's organized, I don't prefer. And then this is just like the phone numbers and stuff. Just make sure you go into Zoom, and then when you're in Zoom here, that you are down, and then you just you start it when it appears on your list. And then you'll be able to let students in. And that's about it.